guys, so I've just been to Izumi. I've just been told that the rooftop is closed, and that's the vibe I wanted. And they have no table, so they were offering to give me some table close to the spa, and it wasn't given. So I left. Next door to Izumi. Izumi is literally behind me. Next door to Izumi, it's shares Felipe, so I want to try that and yeah, see how it goes. I mean, I know someone that went. My sister went there. Apparently it's good, or at least I hope. So yeah, but just look at this pretty view. That's what the town looks like. I couldn't do any videos at the Four Seasons, but
You're lying, don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire, put it out with water.
wow, I am back home. My Uber just dropped me off, and it was a good day, very good day. I think I had some chance to experience the city, and I'm going to be doing more of that tomorrow, so I'm excited. Just gonna take off and just pack. Guys, you know what I did? I didn't pack up my makeup before leaving, and I usually don't do that. I usually pack up my makeup. So now I have to do that tonight. I literally have no energy. But yeah, that's what I've got to do, and then prepare for tomorrow. Tomorrow is my last day here. So I'm gonna do everything, all the sightseeing. There's one Melrose London I want to try. It's like a cute cafe. It's in Geneva and LA. So I'm gonna try it tomorrow. I think that's the only thing I'm gonna do for food tomorrow. But the rest of it is gonna be exploring the town. I don't know if I'm gonna get on the boat. I think there's this boat that takes you around town. I could see it today from the Ritz, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. But yeah, guys, that's good night for me. You don't want to see me getting into the nitty-gritty of things. I'll speak to you guys in the morning. Good night. Hey guys, morning. It's a brand new day. I've done my makeup, ready to go explore the streets. I'm going to a cafe called Melrose. Afterward, I'm doing some more exploring, touring some sites, sightseeing. What am I saying? I was going to take you guys through like my makeup. So I woke up, said my prayers, read my Bible, went back to sleep. My sister called, so I said my prayers when I woke up. Whilst doing my makeup, I was going to take you guys through, but I thought, you know what, I'll show you guys the fun part. So yeah, I am just leaving now. My suitcase is behind me, and I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm good to go, and I thought I'd say, talk to you guys before I leave. But anyway, guys, I will see you soon. I lost a nail yesterday. I always do this, always lose a nail on holiday. Happens all the time. Is like, now I'm expecting it. Anyway, guys, as I said, I'm gonna say it again. I'll see you guys, speak to you guys soon. Yeah, I'm just wearing a black dress. Don't know if you can see. And my Hermes sandals with a black purse. And obviously the sunglasses. But yeah, see you guys soon. Hey guys, so the reception waiting on my Uber. Oh yeah, that's my Uber. The place I'm going to is called Melrose Kitchen. And yeah, I don't know why I kept saying Melrose London, because I think there's a hairstylist called Melrose London. So yeah, just don't know if you can see. Trying to get my Uber. Just dropped my tripod here because I need to make sure I put my passport.
Put it out with water, but now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know.
Hey guys, I am now in my Uber back to my hotel. It's almost time to leave. It's exactly quarter to 5 now. So I'm just my Uber was stuck in traffic. It's a lot of traffic. It's just like London. So when I get there, I'll just get dressed and I will be good to go. I'll just take off my makeup. That's it really. So yeah, I've had a good time. I've had a really, really good time. To be honest, I did not expect to have so much fun in Geneva because when my sister went, the report was that, oh, it was boring. Like, oh, so I was just expecting to just come and see the city, but it's been way more fun than I thought. I have really, I would say, I've really bonded with the city. I know it's like, oh, how do you bond in 48 hours or less? But I feel like I've really bonded with the city. That's what I say. But yeah, guys, so on our way now. And yeah, so when I get to my hotel, I was taking off my makeup. You guys know the routine by now because I've done it so many times, so I don't want to sound like a broken record. So thank you for watching. Let me know what you want to see in my other vlogs. Let me know what you want to see when I travel. Let me know what you want to see when I sit down. I'm sure I've said this before on this vlog, but like when I'm sitting down, what topics do you guys want me to talk about? When I'm traveling, like what do you guys want to hear? Like what do you want to, what do you want me to talk about? So anyways, let me know down below in the comments. If you get to this part of the video, just say yeah as in YE. I always like to know, people that go this far. So yeah, I am gonna end the vlog here because, as I said, I'm just going to obviously freshen up and start heading to the airport. So this is goodbye. Thank you for watching. As I said, I really enjoyed being here. I don't know if I missed anything. I'm just trying to see because when I was at the Four Seasons, which is the Izimi restaurant, there was a lot of people, like a lot of, and I didn't want to get my camera out because usually what happens is in places like this, when you get your camera out, it's like they get frightened, like you're trying to, do something bad. You're like, oh, sorry, no, etc. I get it because of privacy and all of that. So yeah, so I didn't really capture that a lot, but I'm sure I did get a view of the place and maybe my food. So yeah, and as I said before, the Melrose kitchen, there was nowhere to sit, so I literally just got my acai bowl and my latte. It wasn't a latte. It was a it was a latte. It was a matcha latte, which was very nice with oat milk, which is very nice. One of the best I've had. It's one of the best I've had. Full stop. And the salad at Izini, Four Seasons. If you guys ever get to come here, the salad, that salad. Can't remember what it was called now. I think it was like a kale salad or anything, but that salad, it was spicy. It was very tasty. It was just everything. So yeah, still stuck in traffic. But as I said, this is going to be the end of the vlog because I don't want to bore you guys with my routine. I'm just going to take off my makeup, get into my airport fit, and head to the airport. I'm sure it's what's time now. It's still 4:49, which is 11 minutes to 5. So I've got about 4 hours 45 minutes before my flight. So I'll probably just chill at the hotel lobby after I change into my outfit. I keep saying chill, but I mean relax. So just sit. I don't know what you guys are watching for, or if you understand mine. I know chill is not. I think is it a Nigerian slang or is it? I don't know if it's a Nigerian slang or it's just it's what it is, anyways. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to tell me what you want to what you want to see. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about everything I talk about. Are the vlogs boring? Tell me. Like I want to know. I want criticisms. Like I want constructive criticism, not too harsh though. But tell me, okay? And I will speak to you guys in my next vlog. Thank you for watching. I've said this many times. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Whole lot of trying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you. I don't wanna be like you. It's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you.